Hello guys, this is Jonathan Steadman, and today I'm on Windows 10 is because I was having issues in my Linux hard drive basically, and decided to have some bad sectors is happening basically. I would not be using Linux for a while until I get the hard drive changed to a healthy one. Okay, so I'm going to be using, go away. So we're going to be trying to install Haiku. I don't even know how to say it, but basically it's a free and open source operating system that was based on FreeBeOS, but FreeBeOS has been discontinued, and the development of this operating system began in 2001, and it's still in beta though. So yeah, we can install it right now and give it a try. Okay, let's download it now. Okay, so we can give it more RAM because this PC has more RAM, 8 gigabytes of RAM. That'll be pretty cool. Okay, and now what should happen is that it should download the ISO file. So guys, it's only around 719 gigabytes of space. So this will be downloading it right now. So basically, if you want to learn more about it, go to the About tab, and this will tell you more about it. What's so good about Haiku anyway? Specific focus on personal computers, custom kernel. That's pretty cool. And they have database like file system, and they have unified. Hold on. So okay, that failed for some reason. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to redo this, I guess. Gosh. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna pause this video until it gets downloaded. Hello guys, am I still recording? I can't tell. Hello guys, I am recording. Okay, I'm recording now, that's good. Okay. Okay, cool. So I have downloaded the ISO file. Okay, so this is more about it. Well, guys can read through this, but what I will be doing is setting up for a photo machine. So go to new, and then we can call it, what's the name of it again? That one, just call it that. I don't even know how to say that. Okay, so do that. Haiku or something like that, and then I'll have to go for it would be other. No, it will not be Windows at all. It will be other, and then it will be other 64-bit, and then we can go to next. How much RAM do you want to give it? Let's give it a reasonable RAM around that far. Okay, so I guess yeah, and now we can give it around. I would say around 12 gigabytes of storage. Now I can go to create, and then we have Haiku OS, and now we can start it, and then that should start up a VM. So basically we have created that OS VM. Now it should boot up to the OS any minute now if it wants to do that. Okay, startup disk. Oh wait, we forgot to add a startup disk. That's good. That's fine now because we can just add one. Right, to add one, what we need to do is go to the downloads area, and then there should be this ISO file, and now we can just choose that one, and now we can start it. So right now that VM should be starting the OS should be starting any minute now, and this is the OS. Now we can go to machine, we can do view, and then we can go switch to full screen, and this is the OS that we're going to be installing. I think this is just for load. Oh, that's actually pretty nice looking. That mouse pointer. We've just gotta love this mouse pointer. It's just awesome. It's just something amazing to say in that mouse pointer. Okay, so is anything gonna happen? Anything's gonna load up? It's a bit slow. So, oh, okay, we are here now. So I guess we can try it out, or we can install it. What we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be installing it. This is a beta quality software, means that's risk of losing important data. Yeah, that's fine. No petitions being found. Please set up a petition. Oh, I guess set up petitions. Let's have it. Wow. Okay. So select chosen. Okay, install from onto. Wait. Would it be? Ah, I see. What I would want to do though is do, because this is the So setup boot menu, stop. Alright, let's try it out then, and then we can try that later. So basically, this is how we can try it out, and we can do for formatting and stuff like that for this particular OS. So I should be booting up to the OS any minute now. I don't know why it's asking me to do the partitions manually though. I don't quite understand that. But it should be booting up, and this is actually a pretty good system though, in my honest opinion. I never tried it, I always wanted to. But yeah, I always wanted to try out this OS, I guess. It should be loading up any minute now. Have I gave it enough RAM? Machine, it's taken a while. What I may do is though is do a reset. Reset. Okay, cool. Reset. Yep, we are here now. And then we can try to install it again. I think it might be a bug or something that has to be for petitions to be manually done. I don't quite understand that. It should be. Let's install it. Continue. There's no petitions been found for the reset of petitions to format at least one petition with a B file system. So additional disk space, 91 gigabytes. Okay, so this is installed from onto there. So I guess we need to select the petitions then. Select a petition from a list below. Okay. Selected this one. What do I do now? Petition mount all, I guess. CD-ROM. Box hard drive. Okay. Let's set it as BeOS. Format. Right, changes. Petition has been successfully formatted. Okay, so can we begin now? Yes, we can begin. Okay, so we're able to figure out this one out. Okay, so that's going to be installing the system. Ooh, that was not beginner friendly. Trust me guys, that is not beginner friendly. But at least we were able to get it done. At least we were able to get it done. At least I'm so happy about that. And it's pretty much a quick install. Okay, so it should be done. It should be done any minute now. I think there's like 455 packages for it to install, and then we should be done. We can stop it from now, but we're not going to do that, otherwise I might have issues with it. Okay, now I have to do a restart. And now from here I do believe I have to boot it from the hard drive. Just wait for it to reboot. Okay, press onto F12. Now I'll go to primary master, and hopefully it does boot up to the OS. Might have to change up settings inside the photo machine, but I do believe it will boot up, just to give it like some minutes. Actually, what I may do, power off this machine. What I would do though is change some of the third machine settings. So view the settings. We gave it lots of RAM, didn't we? We gave it enough RAM. So let's change this one up, and now for this one we can just allow that. Okay. Okay. Now we should be able to have no issues, right? What did I put that one as? So for the video one, I put down that one as yeah. What about that one? The video one. Display, video controller. Let's change that one. do the same on this Fedora. So if we go to display, if we now change it to that one, and now if we start this virtual machine, hopefully it does boot up with no issues at all. Okay, should be starting any minute now. It's taking forever. Okay, we have to press on the F12 key very soon. Why is it not starting? Is it broken or something? Gosh, I already broke it. Oh, here it is. Switch. F12 key. I haven't even loaded up yet. It's starting for the machine. I already pressed on F12, even though that would be useless. Okay, go to number 1, and that should be able to boot us up without any issues at all. Okay. Yep, we are here now. Should boot up. Because I can use the mouse pointer. Okay, yep, we are in now. Okay, so this is basically the OS. Now this is a home directory, so this is where all files will be, I guess. Ooh, I didn't actually never had this interface before. Is there like a web browser here? Gosh, this is a hard drive. Oh my god, they do have a web browser. That's pretty awesome. So can I go to Google, for example, google.com? Yes, it does take me to google.com. That's actually pretty awesome. Oh my god, I cannot believe I'm running this. Okay, we can close it by pressing up here. But I don't see like a task manager, like desktop privileges, shutdown, applications, demos. So these are like demos that we could open up. These are desklets and lunchbox. I'm not too sure what that quite is. There's bbook, which is basically a web browser, I would guess, but do these stuff. But I'm wondering if we can play YouTube videos in this web browser. Can we do that? That'd be pretty cool if we actually can. If we go to my channel, let's see if we can actually play a YouTube video. Okay, so it's gonna load up to YouTube. It's taking a while. This is a bit slow, but that's fine. It's a virtual machine after all. It's not gonna give you the best experience. And besides, this is a beta version. So this is YouTube. It's a bit slow, but I might as well just close it because I don't want to go for it. And this is a user guide, so this is more of a telling you guys more about it and how to use it. But we are experts, we don't need a guide. These are applications that are opened, I see. So yeah, it makes loads of sense. So applications will be right over here. Icon view, we can do mini icon view, but we can do that. Can we actually make a new folder? Oh my gosh, I can make a new folder. We can call this one college work, because I go to college, and this is where our college work will be saved onto. There's also a trash bin where our trash bin files will be on. Disk usage, I don't know what that is. I see, this is how much of the space that's being used up. That's pretty awesome. And this is mail. Gosh, this is actually a pretty nice looking interface. Okay, let's close out the demo. Quick tour. What's that? Maybe it's a good idea to have a look at this. Okay, so a desk bar. So right click icon for just I see. Okay, so how do we install software? Can we do that? There's a terminal here. ls cd. Let's see. So it's a little bit like Linux. Sudo apt update. That won't do anything. But what happens if I do that? Yeah, obviously. Okay, so if we press on to exit, does it exit? Yes, it does. What's this? And this seems to be a show image, media player. Ooh, desk hack. What is 7 plus 1? I don't know. Is it 22? No, I was wrong. It's 8. Okay, so there's trash. If we want to bin something, then it should delete it, right? And now we can go to file, empty trash. We don't have a file anymore. It's gone. Okay, so I don't see any way we can install some software in this computer, in this OS. There's some C++ stuff, which is basically a programming language. I don't like C++, to be honest. It's just not my taste because it's a little bit difficult. Plus, anyone. Okay, so if we go back to the new add-ons, these are add-ons. So how do I open up software again? Ah, I see. So these are demos. So we can have a look at these. So there's playground. What's that? Ah, is that like a drawing thing? Ah, I see. So it's like that weird thing. What's that? Ah, click and drag to draw an object. Ah, so we're creating a new object. So, I see. So basically, this is how you can make objects in this software. I never used something like this in my entire life. But we can actually make objects. That's actually pretty awesome, guys. I can go back here, I can go to taskbar, we can change some of that settings if we wanted to. That's pretty oh my gosh, you can change icon size. I want it to be large. Large. Auto hide. No, we don't want auto hide. Auto rise. Always on top. Yes, always on top. Okay, so this is quite interesting. Recent documents. Let's go to applications. These are applications that you guys could use. This is an installer. You can already install it, so it shouldn't be there anymore. But it's there for some reason. There's a TV over here. TV channel none, interface none, debug. Okay, that's pretty useless. Not gonna lie. But there's desktop applets if we wanted them on the desktop. There's appearance, so we can change some stuff. We can change a font if we wanted to. Colors. I don't like that color though. I like it pink. Ooh, that's actually pretty nice. Yeah, I like it like this. And this is B. I guess I give this default single. About so analyzing that's actually I see. So let me just change it back to pink because it's a terrible color. Ooh, okay, with art. No, what did that do? Alright, let's have it as much pink as we can because I love pink. Who doesn't love pink? Okay, so this is now pink, isn't it? If I've done this right. Yes, it is pink. Okay, not all of it though, but at least some of it is pink. Yay. So how do I change the background color though? This is quite good. This is actually a very good system for a beta. I'm not gonna lie. It was in like development since 2002 though, so it's quite old, but it's still in development, which makes it quite interesting. Ah, there's a background here, so this is how you can change a background color. No, we don't want that. Maybe none. How does that look? Okay. Well, I want to change it to that. Apply. Yay, pink. Pinky pink. Okay, guys. So we can change some customization stuff. I don't know how to install software, but I guess we can't for some reason. Maybe they're going to add that in the future, where you can install different types of softwares like Firefox. I don't even know if we can run Firefox on here. There's people on here, if we have any friends, that is, which I don't. So this is like a contract sort of thing. Why would we need to add an address? That's weird. So, yeah, I guess this is a very, very simple system then, which is a very cartoony look. This would actually be very good for kids though, not gonna lie, because of how cartoony it looks. It'd be pretty good for kids, because of how it looks. Obviously, it looks a bit outdated, like Windows XP stuff look, but at least it's running pretty well, and you can access Google easily. Maybe YouTube videos might be a little bit of a lag, but it is a VM, so we can't really complain that much. And this is a home directory, this is a system, this is a trash, and this is everything that there is in this system. Home directory, and then this is desktop, and so on. Quick tips, bbook. Okay, go. Launchbox. What's Launchbox? Ah, this weird thing. Okay, So I don't want that. Let's close it. Can I? No windows opened. That's cool. So what's fonts? What about that one? What's that one? Is it gonna load? Ah, okay, loaded. Ooh, that is actually pretty nice looking. I actually do like this animation have added to this OS. Okay, so if we want to do a shutdown, then we can power off. But let's see what happens if I press on to restart. F12 key to boot up to a primary master, and it should boot up to OS. I should really get rid of ISO file though. But yeah, this is basically what should happen when I restart. It's going to reload for OS. And then there should be some stuff popping up in a minute. Okay, here we go. This is where we left off, isn't it? So I'm going to shut down this PC now in a minute once I've explored more of it. So there's screensavers, there's sound, there's time, there's tracker. Wow, that's a lot. Workspace, what's that? Ah, there's many workspaces. That's pretty cool. Gosh, look at that awesome logo. I just really love this logo. This logo is just amazing. Okay, so I might as well just exit from now and then just shut down and then shut down by power off, and then it's gonna shut down. And now guys, I'm gonna learn how to say this word. Okay. How to say OS. Haiku OS. Haiku OS. I think it's Haiku OS. Yeah, take me to that destination. Thanks. Pretty win. Okay, so I think you guys will be able to hear him. So this is basically for Word. It's not saying it for some reason. Let me just shake off the volume. Add the speakers too. Okay guys, I don't know what's going on here. I might need to change some settings. But anyway guys, we can go to visit this site if we wanted to. It's completely awesome operating system in my honest opinion. Release date, so this is the latest version and it's still in development, to be honest. Learning to C++. I think this was actually, I can develop, okay. To the set community. I don't know if they have the forums on here though, which you could ask for some help on. But the icons looks very nice on this OS. So final question is, would I recommend this for everyday use? And in my honest opinion, I would say no. First of all, for like an everyday use, I wouldn't be good because I couldn't find the software installer, and if I don't have the software installer, like to install other softwares, then we're going to be very limited. I'm not too sure if I have other softwares that we can install on here. Maybe we can install softwares using the terminal. And also another reason why I said it's not for everyday use at the moment is because it's still in beta. And if it's still in beta, then obviously it's going to have issues, it's going to have bugs, and it's still in development. So we're going to have some issues running on this on real hardware, and this could lead to data loss. Third reason is because it's not really made for everyday use, to be quite honest. It was just made as just for fun, I guess, as a developers. And besides, it was made since 2002 and it's still under beta. But I would say that it's a great system though, if you just want to run it in an OS. And it's based on BeOS, which is basically BeOS which I never tried out before, but I may give it a try, but it's been discontinued. So it's based on this, which looks quite similar to what we had today. Anyway guys, we'll end this episode here. Thanks guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and yeah guys, I will see you guys next time. Bye.